tall, high. In this lesson, I will go through the difference between these two words. Tall. Tall is an adjective and it refers to the height of something. So this is the vertical length of something that's usually standing, and the length is above average. So this can describe a person, an animal, or things like buildings, houses, etc. For example, he is very tall. The Shard is a tall building in London. Notice from these examples that tall describes the height of something that's usually touching the ground. High. High is an adjective and it refers to how high something is off the ground. So it's the height of something that's above the ground. For example, I can say that the man is tall and that he throws a ball up high. Here I'm referring to the height of the ball above the ground. Other examples include the birds fly high in the sky. How high can you throw the ball?